Hi friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Art to Beat. Hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am going to show you latest beautiful and trendy long earrings designs. These earrings are stylish in look and beautiful to wear in parties and outings. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel Art to Beat and click on bell icon for channel updates. Earrings are the favorite accessory for women as they are available in different varieties in affordable price. Fancy long earrings will alter overall look and makes women look more gorgeous. Women always update their wardrobe with latest and stylish accessories in order to be with trend. Multiple pairs of earrings in different patterns are opted by women. Here in this video, we are showing you the fashionable long earrings designs which can be used as casual wear and also party wear. For each occasion, different types of earrings are used by women, not only with occasion but also with the type of attire and jewelry. Unique set of earrings will be chosen by the woman. All the earrings designs in this video are latest, trendy and also fashionable. Everyone who loves fashion has to go through this video for new and updated earring ideas. Art to Beat channel is for fashion lovers who want to update their fashion with the trend. Please subscribe my channel Art to Beat if not yet subscribed. Different types of long fancy earring ideas are showcased in this video. Please go through all the beautiful and unique earring designs in this video. I hope you like the earring design ideas in this video. Give your valuable feedback